It can get stale at times in the workplace. It's important that we incorporate outside the box activities and ways to engage our team members so that they can work together collaboratively, share concepts, share ideas with one another that helps them get to know each other, build their rapport. So I want to give you a fun team dynamics activity that will help to take your team to another level, just in terms of the excitement and the camaraderie, the creativity that exists within your workplace. So I want you to give Mystery Hobby Exchange a try. How it works. So basically, each team member picks something that is a hobby or an interest that they're passionate about. It could be anything from painting to salsa dancing, gardening, origami, professional wrestling, anything that is exciting and passionate to them, something that they can teach others about. And what happens is the team gathers in person or virtually for a hobby reveal session. So picture the excitement as colleagues share their hidden talents, they reveal their mystery hobby that they've chosen. And then ultimately, once everybody shares that, the team starts on a journey to explore each other's hobbies. So, every meeting, every other week, every month, you organize a dedicated hobby session just for a short amount of time, where a select number of team members, which can vary based on your team size, how much time you have available, you can be flexible with that. They teach and engage each other in those chosen activities. It's your chance to learn, to have fun, to bond with colleagues in a whole new way. The possibilities are endless, and the joy of discovering hidden talents and new things about one another really is priceless. Not only does this spark creativity amongst your team and broaden horizons, it also fosters a sense of unity and appreciation amongst team members. It's one step closer to creating that internal raving fans atmosphere that you crave, that you really need in the workplace. You'll build bridges, you'll break down barriers, you'll create memories that will last on your team. It is so much fun. Embrace your team and embark on this exciting hobby exchange together, because a happy team is a productive team. So find a way to keep the spirit of collaboration alive and make your workplace a hub of shared experiences and boundless creativity. So what are your thoughts? Give it a try. I want to hear how it goes if you try Mystery Hobby Exchange, and how that impacted your team. And if you're looking for a hand in implementing some of these strategies in your workplace, you know how to reach me. www.catalyzingats.com or anywhere on social media at catalyzingats. I'm here to be your guide to creating an awesome team. Have a great day.